Napa cabbage might look like just another leafy green, but it's packed with nutrients that can genuinely boost your health. Today we're breaking down its benefits, nutrition facts, and side effects, so let's get right into it. What is Napa cabbage? Napa cabbage, also known as Chinese cabbage, is a leafy vegetable native to East Asia. It has a mild, slightly sweet flavor with a crunchy yet tender texture, which makes it a favorite in salads, soups, dumplings, stir-fries, and the famous Korean dish kimchi. Unlike regular round cabbage, Napa cabbage has an elongated shape with pale green, ruffled leaves that cook down quickly and digest easily, making it a gentler choice for sensitive stomachs. Nutritional value. Napa cabbage is low in calories but rich in essential nutrients, making it an excellent food for anyone watching their weight. It's loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, along with minerals like potassium, calcium, and manganese. It also provides a healthy dose of dietary fiber and antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and flavonoids, while containing almost no fat. Because it's over 90% water, it also helps keep you hydrated throughout the day, all while delivering a solid amount of iron and vitamin B6 that many people don't get enough of. Health benefits. Napa cabbage offers an impressive range of health benefits. Its high vitamin C content strengthens the immune system and helps the body fight off infections faster. The fiber content supports healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. It also contains compounds that reduce inflammation and support heart health by helping to lower bad cholesterol levels. The antioxidants in Napa cabbage protect your cells from oxidative damage, which may lower the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and diabetes. Its low-calorie, high water and fiber content also make it a great food for weight management, keeping you full without adding extra calories. On top of that, vitamin K supports strong bones and proper blood clotting. Side effects. Despite its many benefits, Napa cabbage isn't completely risk-free. Eating large amounts may cause bloating, gas, or stomach discomfort due to its fiber and raffinose content. People with thyroid conditions should be cautious, since Napa cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable containing goitrogens that can interfere with thyroid hormone production if consumed in excess. It may also interact with blood-thinning medications like warfarin because of its vitamin K content, so anyone on such medication should talk to a doctor before increasing their intake. As always, moderation is key to enjoying its benefits safely. That wraps up everything you need to know about Napa cabbage. It's affordable, versatile, and genuinely good for your body when eaten in moderation. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more health content, and I'll see you in the next one.